Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Twitch app on the iOS device as well as on the Android device. They do have a desktop version of this app as well, so it should work for the same thing. All of it's pretty much the same information. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's go ahead and start. Twitch is a live streaming platform that allows users to watch and broadcast live video content primarily focused on video games, esports, and other creative content. The app is available on the iOS device, on the Android device, and is also a great way to stay connected with your favorite streamers and communities. So I'm just going to look through here and show you guys like what it has to offer and discover. You can go in here and just see that there's like other streamers, and some are mostly that I follow, so I follow these people. But you can see like, and you're able to create a profile and basically build your library of games that you really like to follow along with and see other people play those games. So the Twitch app, it offers a wide range of features that make it a great choice for discovering and watching live stream content. So you can browse through a variety of different categories such as games, creative, music, and more, as well as like people that just talk about whatever. But there's also bands in here and just people doing all types of stuff. And everything in here is just live and constantly, flowing. So the app allows you to follow your favorite streamers and you'll be notified whenever they go live. And so you can see that there's a lot of people who are live right now. And obviously, like, it even plays like a little small, so you can kind of see that guy's playing some music, or like you can see like how many viewers they have and what they're actually doing. So like if we click this, it'll show us most likely what they're actually doing. So you can see like she's like whatever she's doing. I don't know what she's doing, but you can see that. So the app has lots of different things like that. All right, and the app also has a chat feature which allows you to interact with other viewers in the streamer in real time. So if I was to go in here, I can sit here and chat her. I can say hi and just, check her out. Or it wants me to follow her. That's fine. I'll follow her just so I can say hi. But like, see, now I just said hi. So you can see that I can chat and jump into the live stream. You also can set up your own channel if you're into gaming or if you like to build your own games. This is my channel, 0x Nephew. I play a lot of video games as well. So you can see that I use this app. I haven't been on here in a while, but I definitely use the app. So it's a pretty cool app. So outside of it just allowing you to interact with other viewers and streamers in real time, you can also discover new content and communities through the app's recommendation system. So one of the best things I like about the app is the variety of content it offers, and you can find, streams on almost any topic you're interested in, from video games to creative content. Another thing I like about it is the ability to interact with other viewers and streamers in real time. And it also makes the streaming experience more engaging and fun. You got people like, sharing bits and just posting emojis, and just, it's pretty fun. One thing I don't like about it is that the app's recommendations and discovery system can be a hit or miss. So it can be difficult to find new interesting streams. So that kind of sucks when that happens. But overall, the Twitch app is a great choice if you're looking to discover, watch live streaming content, new gamers, new bands, new musicians, and just different things like that. Especially like if a new game comes out, you might want to like check out the game, and before you buy it, you want to see like what the gameplay looks like and if people even like the game and stuff like that. So to me, that's pretty dope reason to rock with the app and download it. All right, guys. So anyway, if you're new to this channel, like I said, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button for more content, and let me know in the comments what other apps you would like for me to review, and I'll see you guys next time.